a room on the lowest floor of a building. The National Weather Service in Chicago has issued a tornado warning for southeastern Kane County in northeastern Illinois until 7:30 p.m. At 7:11 p.m., a tornado-producing storm was located near North Aurora, or near Batavia, moving northeast at 45 miles per hour. Hazard: damaging tornado. Source: radar-confirmed tornado. Impact: flying debris will be dangerous to those caught without shelter. Mobile homes will be damaged or destroyed. Damage to roofs, windows, and vehicles will occur. Tree damage is likely. This tornadic storm will be near St. Charles, West Chicago, Batavia, Geneva, and North Aurora around 7:15 p.m. Wayne around 7:20 p.m. To repeat, a tornado is on the ground. Take cover now. Move to a basement or an interior room on the lowest floor of a sturdy building. Avoid windows. If you are outdoors, in a mobile home, or in a vehicle, move to the closest substantial shelter and protect yourself from flying debris. The tornado warning for